Hi, we've been scammed. And we decided to do this short video in order to explain what's been going on and hopefully protect you from this fraud, as well as for any content creators out there who find themselves in a similar situation, give you a heads up as to how we're dealing with this. Now, for those of you unfamiliar with this channel, we cover science, engineering, technology. We go through laboratory and shop tricks and techniques that can be useful. Then we build interesting projects and we demonstrate them. Early on in this channel, I made it clear that if we come up with some clever idea or some clever project, nothing we do will ever be patented. Everything is open source and free for the community to share and to use and to enjoy. I have never promoted any manufacturer's product except one. I developed a thermal interface material, a thermal paste, a thermal grease. And we did a video where I compared it to some leading commercial materials, and it did very well. We sent a couple samples over to Linus Tech Tips, and they reviewed it favorably. I then did a follow-up video where I showed you exactly how to make the stuff yourself. But that's it. Where this problem came to light is a couple of weeks ago, we started getting comments below our videos from people familiar with the channel who said that there were these sketchy ads that were popping up all over YouTube, directing people over to a video where I appeared to be promoting or claiming to have invented some product. And so we investigated this, and it's kind of an interesting situation. The channel itself that's hosting this video is only a couple of weeks old. It has no contact information, all the comments are shut down, and they only have 4 videos, 3 of which have a few thousand views. But the video in question actually has nearly 3.5 million views as of filming this video. And it's growing at about 300,000 to 400,000 views per day, so it's a really big deal. The video was constructed by clipping and extracting segments from our videos and then overlaying the audio with an imposter who claims to be me, saying that I had invented or developed this product, I promoted this product. And
I'm Howard, and I've been a space cooling expert for the past 15 years.
My name is not Howard.
I'm Howard.
Now, the problem here is that the video itself does look pretty sketchy. And people familiar with the channel realize that this is probably a scam. But we've had a couple of comments from people familiar with the channel who said, yeah, it seems like a dubious ad and I would not normally buy the product. But if you are recommending it, I will. That's bad, because millions of people have actually seen the video, and many of them may not be familiar with this channel. So we don't know how many hundreds or thousands may have been induced to buy this product based on this fraudulent advertisement. Not good. This has hurt us financially because, as you might have realized, we haven't been uploading any videos in the meantime. In addition, it hurts our reputation because for people who don't know what we do and what our philosophy is, if they see me on these ads and they order this product and it either is never delivered or turns out to be a piece of junk, then that hurts them when they hurts us when they come over to the channel and they think lesser of our integrity because of our presence on those ads. And obviously, people may be scammed out of money if it turns out that the product is no good. So we wanted to make this as short an exposure as possible. We made an attempt to contact the company, and as you might imagine, it's difficult to do. We were able to successfully reach the US distributor for this product, and after explaining the situation to them, they also took this seriously. They frowned on this. And from them, we learned that the company is in fact based in China. So that might explain why it's so difficult to reach them. We contacted YouTube, and they also frown on fraud and impersonation, and they are working on this as well. Now, normally, I would not want to give this video any additional airtime. However, in this situation, I think it may be useful. Below this video in the description, we're going to give a link to the video, and you can go ahead and take a look at it. And I'm not going to tell you what to do. But if you think that this does look like it represents scam, if you take a look at their video, below it is a small button with 3 dots. Click on the button, and you can then click on Report. Hopefully, if thousands or tens of thousands of people report that video, it may elevate this in the queue at YouTube, and they will shut this down more quickly and hopefully protect more people, as well as this channel, from this fraudulent advertising. Now, I appreciate the people who gave us the heads up. That's really helpful, and I appreciate your patience in the meantime. The situation is that notifications from YouTube. We found that even if you are a subscriber to a channel and you go through all the bells and the whistles and click the necessary buttons, you often don't get notified about new content. And so what we've decided to do is go to a regular publication, a regular posting of our videos on Sundays. Every Sunday, whether it's a short or it's a new video or it's a premiere. Hopefully this will make it a little bit easier for you to find us rather than having to sort of just check back every so often. In addition to that, because of this short video, I just wanted to let you know that we're going to be posting in a couple of days one of our new projects. So that rule about the Sundays will begin in the future, but we're going to try to get out some content as soon as we've gotten this thing posted. Finally, we have been growing very quickly. We've gotten quite large, and we're looking to hire. And what we're looking for primarily is people with video skills, people who can help us with the video editing. Familiarity with Adobe Premiere Pro would be very useful. If you have any experience with Adobe Effects, that would also be useful. In addition, we could use someone with experience in 2D or 3D animation. Familiarity with Blender or an equivalent would be good as well. As you're probably aware, a lot of our videos are quite large, and with 4K and a high bit rate, some of our larger videos can approach nearly 100 gigs. And so it would be helpful if we could find somebody relatively local so that the information or the files can be transferred either by sharing a flash drive or an SD card as opposed to depending on internet bandwidth for transmission. If you are particularly close and are interested in joining the team and doing videography, that would be a real plus too. So we'll put a link in the description below to our email, and if you contact us there, we can begin a conversation. So we look forward to talking to you. So finally, thank you very much, everybody, for letting us know about this, and we will get this stopped. And in addition, thanks for the patience in waiting. We know it's kind of frustrating for you, but we will get through this and we'll get some content out very soon. So I want to wish you a very good day. You take care, and we'll see you very, very soon.